Hello everyone, welcome to Mudra Then Yoga. Today, let us learn a new mudra which is the Linga Mudra. It is a Sanskrit term for the hand gesture that represents Lord Shiva, the supreme god, that is associated with the male phallus. Now, this mudra is a symbol of masculinity, hence it's called Linga Mudra. It works by concentrating on the fire element inside our body. To perform this mudra, let's see how it is. First of all, we need to sit in any comfortable seating posture and place the hands with the palms pointing upwards on the thighs or the knees. Performing this mudra in the right position is very much important. Meditation postures like Padmasana, Siddhasana, Swastikasana and Vajrasana are ideal for the practice of this mudra. Close your eyes and take some deep breaths with the awareness of breathing process. Now bring both your hands in front of your body and clasp them and interlock the fingers, but keep the left thumb erect, pointing upwards, and encircle it with the thumb and index finger of the right hand. Removing all the thoughts from our mind, focus the mind only on Om. In addition, it should be done with both hands simultaneously. Do not decrease or increase the speed of breath from your side. Perform this pose for 35 minutes at a stretch every day or for at least 10 to 12 minutes 3 times a day. You can practice Linga Mudra by standing in Tadasana Yoga, otherwise sitting on a chair. Now, the other benefits and the features are being given in the description box. People who have problem with bile should not do this mudra. This posture should not be done for a long time in the summer season. In case of acidity, fever and stomach ulcers, should not perform this mudra. Thank you all. Hello everyone, welcome to